Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal, and in this tutorial I'll be unboxing our CT5 Powersport battery charger and maintainer. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. Okay, let's see what we've got in the box. This is the Powersport charger, and as you can see, it's got a tough sealed plastic case, power lead and a charge cable with CTEK's unique Easy Fit Comfort Connect system. You also get a clamp lead for quick connection to the battery. Plus, there's an M6 eyelet lead for more permanent connection if your Powersport battery is difficult to get to. Both of these leads have Comfort Connect plugs, so you can connect them to the charger quickly and securely. It also means you can add other CTEK accessories fitted with a Comfort Connect system if you need them. Finally, there's a fold-out instruction leaflet which shows you how to use the charger and gives you all the technical specs, along with a guide to the CTEK's range of accessories. Well, that's the CT5 Powersport unboxed. Thanks for watching.